No, dude, you gotta cut it more.
No, fuck that, dude. That's so dangerous.
Fuck you.
So?
What do you mean so?
Alright, let's hit it with our axes.
Let's push it.
No, kick it, yeah. Alright, come on.
It's still kind of dangerous.
Fuck it. Kick it. Yeah, I got your back. Kick it.
I got your back.
Oh, almost made it.
Almost. It's actually doing stuff. That part.
Here.
What is it? Consistent motion. Dude, you can leave it. It's small up there. Take a phone up there. Yeah, dude. Dude, let's cut another one. Let's cut the little one right next to it. We'll hit that and then fucking...
Yeah.
No, we'll fall that way.
Alright, well, let's hit it with our axes.